Alright, so now we're working on a final piece of the puzzle, some wheels. So I've got this set of DS2s recently, and I knew this was going to be my finishing touch for the car. But this particular one has like tons of road rash, and you can see a lot of it there around the rim. I had already started kind of sanding it a little bit, and then I ran into some videos on how to get rid of these deep scratches. So I'm going to go ahead and use our Dremel here with this little tool and smooth out everything there. I ordered the actual paint that I think it is, at least the correct color code for it. And I'm waiting on that, but at least I'm going to see if I can get this smoothed out to a point where I feel like I'm happy with it. And then hopefully we'll paint it just like we've been painting the car. I mean, it should just be a matter of priming, base, and clear, just like everything else. So we've done that plenty of times already, so I'm hoping that we can repeat the same process with wheels. So that's gonna be it, and hopefully we may get some of these little things. I mean, I'm really not that picky with these wheels right now. Later on I may, whenever I put some nice aftermarket wheels, maybe those are the ones that I'll put some really sweet effort to. But I really wanted to actually tackle the whole idea of refinishing the wheels, especially after really bad curb rash. On my other car, I've never really had bad curb rash, so this is my first experience. That's what you get for buying used wheels like this. But like I said, I wanted a set of these, and finally came around one. It's just not in the condition that I wanted it. So let's see. I hope that with the Dremel tool we can kind of get this a little straightened out, and with the paint in, I hope it matches the rest of them. If not, there's at least enough distance from the front wheels to the back wheels where hopefully the color won't make that much of an issue. It won't be that much of an issue, but we'll see. I think it got to the point where I already sanded it and used the wire wheel and with my Dremel to get enough of the curb rash out. So now we need to fill in some of the imperfections that we have here. So I'm actually going to use some good old-fashioned body filler. We're going to lay it on in all the spots where it still has some nicks and scratches. We're going to let it cure, then we're going to sand it off, and then we're going to treat this almost like the same way that we treated the fender and the hood, and hopefully that should be it. I also got some color matched wheel paint. At least I think it's the right color, so I'm going to try it. I'll bring it out in just a second. When we're ready to do this, I'll show you which one I bought, but it should match close enough, and hopefully we can get it to decent. Obviously I'm not looking for perfection, I just needed to get rid of the nasty curb rash out here. And while I'm at it, I figure why not just try to work on this technique that I've never done before. Hopefully, if I don't mess it too much, I don't need to buy another wheel. If not, this may become my spare wheel. So win-win, I guess. All right, so let's see how this goes. Crossing my fingers. I got a little ahead of myself, so I went ahead and sanded it down with the 80 grit. Then I did 180 grit. Then I washed it, I degreased it, I tack clothed it, and I went ahead and sprayed a coat of the primer on it. So right now we're waiting between the first coat and the second coat right now. So far, you know, it's looking good. I swear I don't understand how people do bags and all this stuff. Oh, you know, when it comes to getting these prepped up, because I have zero luck with bags. So I went nuts with the blue tape, and like, hopefully it works. I think everything was indeed covered well, so at least that shouldn't be a problem. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the second and third coat, and then we'll come back when it's time for the base coat. So let's see. All right, so another few more days later, we're ready to kind of start wet sanding this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this tape, and I don't know why. I don't know. See, this is a good thing about waiting a few more days, because now I keep wondering, why the heck was I not painting everything again? So, you know, I guess enough time, I get better ideas kind of pop up. So I'm gonna take this tape off, and I'm gonna wet sand everything. The good thing is, at least from my experience researching with the car, is that after you get rid of the clear coat, you can add base coat and clear coat again. You know, so the areas that have the primer will get the base coat. The areas that had the clear would be gone. So we would be laying down more base coat. So I think it'll still look good. I'm hoping. The only thing that I was concerned about, and I don't know why, because after researching I kept thinking, this is stupid, with the little emblem on the wheel. For some reason I thought these things were rare. So I looked it up. I'm like, they're everywhere. So I won't feel bad if I ruin that. So that's not bad. So yeah, so that's the plan. We'll see how it turns out. First coat down, more to go. All right, so I'm actually super surprised how well this is turning out. There it is. It's looking really good. We haven't applied the clear coat yet. So now we're gonna wait an hour or so for it to completely dry, and then we're going to clear this. And after that, this rim will be completely done. All right, so it's been an hour already, and now everything's completely dry. So now it's time for our clear, and hopefully in an hour's time, everything will be done, and this wheel will be ready to kind of put into service per se. So I'm hoping that at least the shine will not be too overpowering. I compared the color on this to the other one; it's almost exactly the same. So I'm just concerned about the shine right now. That I'm hoping the gloss isn't too glossy where it'll overpower this. So, but we'll find out in a few minutes.
Pretty much a wrap. As you can see from the pictures on screen right now, they looked pretty much amazing. They still look great. You know, it's been a few days, you know, after we recorded the video here. As you can tell, the color is pretty good. I've got another picture here that kind of shows, you know, what the other wheels look like. You know, as you can tell, they match pretty well. Super stoked, super happy about this. So hopefully you guys join us next time. Thanks.